Good day everyone, this is Crystal Ayasa Asedera from grade 11 STEM Wisdom, and I will be performing on how I solve these two equations into a standard form. The first given here is x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 12y minus 19 is equals to 0. The first thing we have to do is i-group natin yung x terms and then yung y terms. But we have to leave space on the last part of it para makomplete siya mamaya. So, ito na siya. Quantity of x squared minus 6x plus blank plus quantity of y squared plus 12y plus blank is equals to positive 19. Since negative siya rito, pag nalagyan na natin siya on this side is magiging positive na siya. To find kung ano yung ilalagay natin dito para makomplete siya, kailangan natin i-divide into 2 yung middle. So, negative 6 divided by 2 is equals to negative 3. And then, i-square natin siya. Negative 3 times negative 3 is equals to 9. So, 9 yung ilalagay natin dito sa block na to. While dito, ganun din. I-divide rin natin into 2 yung middle. So, 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. And i-square din natin siya. So, 6 times 6 is equals to 36. And then, ilalagay natin siya dito. 36. But since naglagay tayo ng 9 dito and then 36, kailangan rin natin maglagay dito sa side na to. So, ito na yung perfect square trinomial. Quantity of x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus quantity of y squared plus 12y plus 36 is equals to 19 plus 9 plus 36. But kailangan natin siyang gawing squared binomial. So, yung first sign dito, which is negative, magiging negative rin siya dito. And then, yung ginamit natin na number para makuha to, ginamit natin number na i-square para makuha yung number 9, which is 3, lalagyan natin siya dito. And then, katulad lang rin dito, yung first sign, which is positive, ibababa lang din natin siya. And then, yung ginamit nating number para makuha to, itong 36, which is 6. So, the final answer for this is quantity x minus 3 squared plus quantity of y plus 6 squared is equals to 64 since we added these 3 numbers. And for this equation naman, on the number 10, the given equation here is x squared plus y squared plus 8y minus 9 is equals to 0. Katulad ng ginawa natin rito is, i-group lang rin natin yung x terms and y terms. But since walang kasama yung x squared, i-bring down lang natin siya, and then yung 8y lang yung i-group natin. Tapos mag-leave ulit tayo ng space rito para makomplete siya mamaya. So, x squared plus quantity of y squared plus 8y plus blank is equals to positive 9. Since negative siya, magiging positive siya if lalagay na natin siya rito sa side na to. And then to find kung ano ilalagay natin rito, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, is yung middle, i-divide natin into 2. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then, i-square din natin siya. So, 4 times 4 is equals to 16. So, 16 na yung ilalagay natin dito. So, ganito na siya. Perfect square trinomial na siya. Then, since naglagay tayo ng 16 dito, kailangan din natin maglagay ng 16 sa side na to. Sa side ng equation na to. So, i-bring down lang din natin ulit yung 8x squared. So, x squared plus quantity of y squared plus 8y plus 16 is equals to 9 plus 16. Pero, kailangan natin na gawin siyang square binomial. So, i-bring down lang ulit natin yung x squared plus the quantity of y, since positive to, positive din yung ilalagay natin dito. And then 4, kasi yun yung ginamit nating number na in-squared natin to get the 16. So, 4 squared. Tapos, 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. So, the final answer or the standard form for this equation is x squared plus quantity of y plus 4 squared is equals to 25. And that's all. Thank you so much for